It will coincide with another member's leave.
Kiumia kimwe thutha wa igoti guteaniria cira uria uragathikitwo igoti-ini wegemaine na hiko cia andu ahura umwe, kanitha wa Anglican guko bũrũri-inĩ rungu rwa muthikavu munene Jackson Ole Sapit ni utugiritie itua riu kiuga ciiko icio ni mugaru na ubi wa Ngai na no mugaru na gatiba ya bũrũri.
As a traditional view of Christian marriage is between a male and a female for life, and that will continue to be the teaching of the Anglican Church of Kenya, and we want to applaud the courts for affirming that.
Mwenini wake muthikavu Justin Welby kuma Canterbury, omwe wa thikavu aria marigweta Ngeretha, ni akindirite murugamo wa kanitha wa Anglican hari kuregana na ciiko icio, akiuga hiko ciagiriirwo gukorwo igitwarithia na mbere ubi wa Ngai hari mundu.
The Bible is clear, and I have said on numerous occasions in public that my own view of Christian marriage is the traditional Christian view of marriage that has always been the view of Christian marriage.
Ona kuri uguo Sapito igite matire na ruthara wa kuigata mundu ro wothe kanitha-ini, kuona nyumba-ini ya Ngai ni ku andu marungagirwo mitugo no makahinyiriria gutiri hindi mangitikiria ihiko ta icio kana ciamurano cia andu ahura umwe.
The church is a corrective institution to come and tell us the right things to do.
It is not currently possible for there to be same-sex marriages in the Church of England.
Marrying people in church who are gay, it will mean we are promoting that. That is what we say we are not promoting. They will come to be preached to that whatever they are doing is wrong according to the word of God.
Ciiko cia anake gutuma ndugu na anake aru nao kana airitu kwendana na airitu aria angi ni mutugo uthiete na mbere gukirirwo guko bũrũri-inĩ thengia ikundi cia kumatetera kwihita gucokia cira uyu riko makiuga ihoto ciao ni iragararirwo.
So Mrs. Legunya, Mr. Kinyanjui, those